Hi everyone, I know lately I have been posting some makeup declutter videos, and this video is going to be a little bit different. I might declutter product, who knows, but it's mainly going to be me reorganizing a part of my makeup collection that I intend to use every day, but I typically don't because it's not like curated to what I want now. So today I'm going to be tackling my everyday makeup drawer. Right now I'm looking at it and I'm seeing a lot of products in here that I do not use anymore. I'm seeing a lot of products that don't inspire me, and what I really want to do today is curate this drawer. I want this drawer to be filled with products that I use every day, or products that I use weekly, or products that I want to use more often. This drawer right now is just really not speaking to me, so I am going to go through it. So this is what my everyday makeup drawer looks like right now. It used to be on this side of my desk, but I moved it to be over here just because it's like a lot more convenient for the makeup to be over here. So this drawer just has a ton of random things in it, but what I really want is I want to add some foundations and concealers to this drawer. I don't already have either of those products, and I know that that would really come in handy because I just moved my foundation drawer that used to be right here. I just moved it in to the tall Alex drawer dresser that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and pull a couple of foundations that I know I will use every day, or foundations that I want to maybe use more of, or just like new foundations, and I'm going to pull them aside and find room in here for them. So if you watched my cheek product declutter and then went to my IGTV and then watched how I kind of organized my little drawer inserts, you would have seen me put together this piece right here. However, I am not sure that this works for me anymore because there are just too many products here that I am not pulling every day. I don't like how they're ordered either. So I'm going to go through each of these products and put them, you know, in their designated drawer, and then keep the products that I know I will want to use and pull. I am going to keep my NARS Light Reflecting Pressed Powder in here. I really love this pressed powder, so that's going to stay. I'm going to move my Nabla bronzer. I'm not sure I love this shade, so I'm just going to move it and, you know, move it out of the way of my everyday drawer. I am going to keep my Becca bronzer in this drawer because I love my Becca bronzer. I am going to move my NARS highlighter. I just don't use highlighter all that often. I need to make a choice because these are so similar. I really should have decluttered one of these because they're literally the same product. I'm going to keep my Essence Pure Nude Bronzer in this drawer, and I'm going to move the Honest Beauty one. I am going to keep my Tower 28 blush in here. I'm going to move my Mented blush. I don't know why I have this little eyeshadow in here, but I would like to maybe find another spot in here to keep it. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Tan. I'm going to go ahead and keep that in this drawer. My Fenty Cream Bronzer and Blush, I'm going to move down to my cream cheek drawer. Going to keep both my Hourglass blush and then my Clinique blush in this top drawer. Moving my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I just don't really use highlighter enough. I have this little Inglot palette that I am going to keep in this drawer. I really should remember to reach for this palette a bit more often. I am going to keep my Chantecaille bronzer in here. It's just a gorgeous bronzer. And I am also going to keep my Undone Beauty Rosewood blush in here. I am going to leave this insert in here, but I am not going to put my cheek products in there. I just don't think I need that many cheek products in this everyday drawer. I could use them other places. So I am for now going to put the foundations that I want to keep in this drawer in this little insert. I am going to put the Urban Decay Stay Naked Tinted Glow Hydrator in here. I recently got sent this product and it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it more often, but that's going in this top drawer. I would love to rediscover and use the Bite Beauty Changemaker foundation again. I remember really loving it, and I never got around to reviewing it. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm going to put that in this drawer. It's about that time of year where it will match me perfect. I am also putting my NARS Soft Matte Foundation in here. I want to use that more often. It's pretty new to me. I am going to put my Sephora Clean Glowing Skin Foundation in here. The NARS one is just so clunky. It's okay if they're stacked. It's fine. And then I recently purchased this foundation, Exa foundation. One of the colors definitely works better for me than the other, but I am going to put both of the foundations in this drawer because they are new and I am wanting to try them out. And then as far as concealer, I'm going to put my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in here. My Rare Beauty Concealer is going to go in here. Both of my Kosas concealers are going to go in here. I haven't used these in a really long time, so I'm going to try and like rediscover them and see how I feel about them. And then my Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer is going to go in here as well. I'm also going to be putting my e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealers in here. I recently purchased these and I would like to try those out, so they are going to be in this little drawer. I'm going to go through this little insert right now. I have mostly brow products in here and then a couple of lip products. I'm going to go ahead and take the lip products out right now. I think I'm actually going to probably declutter a lot of these brow products. I never ever grab them in here. I feel like I should get more use out of my MAC Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gel product. I definitely should get more use out of that. This looks like a product that I would like a nice one and done sort of eyebrow product. I am going to keep the NYX Bear With Me brow product. I am not keeping the Juice Beauty brow product. I am not keeping the Ilia brow product. I am not keeping the Thrive Cosmetics brow product. I just feel it's a bit old at this point. I am not keeping the Well People brow product. I am going to keep my Morphe 2 brow product. I have this little sample of an Urban Decay brow product, but this color really does not look like a color that I could wear. It looks like very light brown. So I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. Maybe I have a friend that might like that. Keeping my e.l.f. Wow Brow, keeping my Wander Beauty Brow Gel, and I'm going to see if my sister wants the Urban Decay Inked Brow. Now I have a couple of like random brow products in some of these other places that I am going to keep. I am going to keep both of my, actually, you know what? It is gonna be time for me to declutter one of these. I am going to be decluttering the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown brow powder that I have. I don't know why I picked up soft brown, but I did hit pan on it, so I must have like really liked it at some point. It is just so light. Like my hair is very, very dark, as you can see, and that color is just so light. But I do have Ebony, which is a very good shade match for my hair, and then I use the shade Dark Brown in the Dip Brow Pomade, so I'm going to keep both of those brow products in this little cubby. And then I think I'm actually going to grab a couple of single shadows to throw in this little insert, so I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll be back to show you guys what I picked. So I pulled both of my Chantecaille eyeshadows. These are drop dead freaking gorgeous, so I really, really need to use these more often, and I'm just gonna plop them in there. I also ended up grabbing all three of my new e.l.f. shimmering liquid eyeshadows. I think they're called the metallic liquid eyeshadows or something. I hauled these in my Black Friday haul and I did do swatches in that video, so if you wanted to see swatches, go check that video out. But I am gonna put all three of them in here. They are just so pretty. Should I do it upside down like that so I can see the shades? I think I might, but they fit perfectly in that little nook. I recently picked up the Hourglass Scattered Light eyeshadow in the shade Reflect, and it's so, so pretty, so I'm going to pop it in there as well. I also grabbed the Danessa Myricks Watercolor Liquid Liner in Totally Tangerine. It's just such a pretty shade. No, maybe I don't have like enough room. I'm trying to figure out what I have room for in here. Maybe that would work, and then I can just like plop a couple more. No, let me see. I might not really have the room that I was wanting to have. I also really like this liquid Kevyn Aucoin eyeshadow in the shade Blazed Up, so I'm going to plop that in there. And while I was like kind of organizing this to have it all fit, I did grab my Hourglass Ray eyeshadow, the Scattered Lights in Ray. So that's going in there. It's just like a small version. Then I have like a little gap right here. And I do want to put my Danessa Myricks liner in there, but I just don't think it's going to fit well. And then right there, it'll be kind of like covering over some things. I guess maybe I can put my NARS sharpener in this little nook. No, that doesn't really fit. I don't know, I might have to come back to that little nook right there. Let me actually double check to see if there's anything else. See if that'll fit. Touch and sole, no, doesn't. All right, well, I'm just gonna leave this drawer as is for right now, and then maybe come back to it if I find something to put in that little space right there. But that's good to go, and I'm gonna plop that right back there. I know I haven't used these in a little while, my Stila Glitter and Glows, but I just grabbed the shade Smoky Storm, and I'm gonna put it in here. Let me see how I can arrange this situation best. I think this situation is what I was dealing with before, and then I had this right in here, which worked out kind of well. And then maybe I can have like an extra drawer or extra insert kind of back here. I could just have like random stuff, but I'm just moving that. I'm going to take all of these products and dump them in here and then leave that empty, and then I'll go through each of them. These Revlon Glaze eyeshadows, I did like these for a little while, and then this one that I liked the best, it just fell out, like all the product just fell out, and it fell out into my tea. So that was a goner, and my tea was a goner too, so I'm gonna have to throw that away. And then these I just don't really like enough to keep them in my top drawer. And I'm also going to take out, oh, this one was actually pretty nice, but I feel like they would like fall out every time I use them. I'm gonna set these aside for right now. I'm not gonna keep them in here, and I'm taking out the Revlon liners that I have. So I'm taking these out and I'm moving them. I recently fell in love with the e.l.f. No Budge shadow sticks, so I am going to pop those in this tray. Also moving my Tarte Maneater mascara and my Honest Beauty mascara in this tray. What else is in here? Products from Alley-oop. I really just need to use those and film a video on them. And then I just have, ooh, this is a good brow gel that I'm going to plop in there. That's where my other one is. I'm actually going to take out, I'm swapping out my Brunette Wow Brow from e.l.f. and I'm putting in my deep brown brow gel. I have all of these Nude Sticks shadows and I don't really use them that often, but I don't want to get rid of them, so I am just going to be moving them over to my eyeshadow drawer. I'm moving a couple of lip liners in, my Buxom Hush Hush lip liner, MAC Spice, NYX Dazed and Diffused in Girls Trip, my Bare Minerals On Point lip liner, which I actually haven't used in ages because it's been in the bottom of this lip liner drawer that I have, and now I'm putting it in there because I want to use it more. And then my Milani 04 All Naturel lip liner. And then I'll move the rest of these lip liners that I just don't use as often. I don't use lashes very often, but I feel like it should still be in this drawer, so I'm just gonna plop those over there. All the rest of this stuff I'm not gonna get rid of. I'm just gonna put in another part of my collection. And now I have a free one of these little trays that I'll use later. Or maybe I could put my extra eyeshadows in there, like eyeshadow palettes. I do have this NARS Nectar palette, which is so cute. I should actually use this more often. Oh my gosh, why don't I use this? It's so cute. And then I have my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palettes, which, I could take them or leave them. I'm going to put my cheek products in here that I decided to keep. And this is actually a powder, so I'm going to keep that. This is going in here. This is going in here. I'm having to do, let me move this one because those are face powders. Plopping my Clinique blush in the side, and then my Hourglass blush on the side. And then I have my Undone blush in there. Tower 28. I could fit one more cream blush in there. What is it gonna be? I'm actually going to put back my Mented Cosmetics blush in here because I realized I have just a bit more room, and that is perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm already liking this way better. I actually am going to put my Alley-oop eyeshadow sticks back in here just because I really do like an eyeshadow stick and I want more options over here. Because I use these products so often, I'm also going to plop in my Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer and my Oma Beauty Sculpting Contour product. What is it called? Sculpt and Strobe Duo Stick. Also going to put all 3 of my new Live Tinted sticks in here. Popping my NARS lip gloss in here in the shade Polshin. It is so pretty, so I'm gonna put that in there. I've decided for the drawer back here, I'm going to put my little eyeshadow palettes. So I have my NARS Nectar palette here. How cute, oh my goodness. And then, oh my god, this one is the most adorable. This is the Lorac Mini Pro palette. Are you joking me? Are you joking me? It's so freaking cute. Only $15, by the way. I have my Era Perez eyeshadow palette that I kind of want to use more often. And then I have my M Cosmetics Faded Clementine palette in here. I recently got it, so I'm putting it in this top drawer. Fenty Beauty palette number 1, and then I have number 5. I have this Milani eyeshadow palette, and then I have this Smashbox palette. And honestly, having the eyeshadow palettes back here is not that bad. I'll just turn around and show you guys. It's pretty visible, and the fact that the palettes are like a bit bigger, it definitely is easier to see. But oh my gosh, I love this much more than the situation that I had before. Also, a little cuteness cam. Wilma, can you wake up, girl? You sleeping that hard, girl? Wilma, do you want a cookie? You want a cookie, girl? Do you want a cookie? Do you want one, girl? Oh my god, she's so cute. I literally can't take it. Because I'm very big on wanting to use up as much space as possible, I did plop in my Inglot palette, which if you guys haven't seen my Inglot palette before, this is what it looks like. Just, you know, beautiful, high quality eyeshadows. This one did slip out of my pan, like just completely slipped out of nowhere. So if you guys have a recommendation for like a nice everyday shimmery shade, maybe could double as like a highlight, let me know. And I will definitely pick it up. But yeah, that's my little Inglot palette. And then I put my Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette back here as well, because it's a little hard to grab back there. But this palette is so nice, very lovely. A great launch of 2020. But yes, I am so happy with how this drawer came out. I think I'm going to use it much more often, and I could even like cycle out products over here and just have it be kind of like a project pan kind of thing. I think I want to get into project panning. I don't know how I feel about it. I would have to evaluate my collection a bit more and figure all that out. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know you guys have been loving the declutters. I have a couple more sections of my makeup collection that I want to declutter. I really want to go through my little single eyeshadows, and then I have like a couple of like random things, which would be like my eyeliners and my lip liners and my mascaras and stuff. So I have a couple more declutters coming, and then I really want to do a full room tour and makeup collection. But that is going to be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.